Welcome back. So here you can see what is intent. So before creating content and on your website, it is important to understand that what is content. Sorry, what is intent? Intent is actually the intention of a search. So when you are searching on Google, so you might have intention. When any user search on Google, they have some sort of intention behind any searches. So here you can see we have some sort of four types of intent: informational intent, navigational intent, and commercial and transactional intent. So actually informational intent is something like I'm searching on Google like how to make a coffee, and I just get to know that how I can make a coffee, and then that is actually the informational intent. So moving forward, here I let me show you an example that for better understanding. So I just search, on Google that how to make vegan brownies. So I just get the result like, the videos here. Here you can see I get the result videos. Here you can see we have some articles that are ranking. So if I just open this article and I get to see that, how I can make vegan brownies recipe, right? So that is actually the informational intent. When I search something on Google, it shows you that how to do anything, right? How to actually solve the problem you have. So this is informational intent. This is, I guess, taking some time. So moving forward again on this, here you can see we have second one, which is navigational intent. Navigational intent is something which is like you want to navigate on a certain and specific website, right? Let me give you an example. I would want to login on X. So I just search the X login. Here I get to see that I can log in directly on this website. So when you're searching something like uh you want to navigate, because navigational, the word navigation itself give you that you want to navigate on something, right? So if you want to log in on Instagram, you can search Instagram login. So you want to, because you want to navigate on that website. Again, moving forward on the third intent, which is like commercial intent. So commercial intent is something which is, let's say you just want to buy something in the near future. So I just searched that best laptop in USA, right? I just searched this because I would want to buy a laptop, and I just want to compare some of the prices and some of the products. So I just get to see that what is the best laptop I can buy. So here you can see I just land on this. I just searched this. I don't know why this is hanging. Yeah, here you can see best laptop in USA. I just searched this term and I get to see some of the results. So I just opened this, best laptop of 2025, because I want to compare, the products, and want to make a decision that, which product I should buy. So that is actually the commercial intent which users search on Google. So if you just create, this type of content for the commercial keywords, you will get to understand that yes, user want to make a decision in the near future. So you gotta have to make this type of page for on your website. So moving forward again toward the slide, here you can see we have transactional intent. Transactional intent is something which is like, I'm ready to buy. The user is actually ready to buy something, and they make the decision, they make their mindset that yes, I would want to buy this right now. So let's say I just searched this, iPhone 16. So I just land on this on this page, and right now I'm ready to buy this. So I just click on, the color and the options, and then, just check out, and I just click on checkout. So that is the transactional intent which I which is, which user actually search something, on Google when they have this kind of intent that they want to buy something. So these are the four basic intents you should understand, in SEO. So moving forward here, I just make this table for, the for better understanding. So here you can see we have user goal. Here you can see some of the, I just wrote the, some description here. So, here you can see the user goal. So when a user is searching, the informational intent, the goal of the user is to learn something or understand topic, right? Informational intent is something which is, Google want to understand something. Sorry, user want to understand something. The second thing is navigational intent, right? In this, user goal is to go directly to a particular site or service. In the third one, the user goal in the commercial intent is to compare options or to look for recommendations on, of a project, of a product, or of any services. And the fourth one, the user goal is, is to complete a purchase or sign up for something, they want to buy. So that's pretty much it for this videos. See you in the next one.